the High Court, we had 14 benches in the Bangalore bench and 4 at Dharwad and 2 at Kalburgi. In the Lok Adalat benches constituted in district and talukas was 957. So on a total 977 benches have been constituted on the whole, and the matters that have been disposed of are in the High Court. Pending cases, 1,229 pending cases have been disposed of. With regard to the district and taluka courts, pending cases, 2,53,290 pending cases have been disposed of. Pre-litigation, we have disposed of 76,25,039. The total disposal in both pending and pre-litigation comes to 78,79,558. So the settlement amount amounts to 3,017 crores. Matrimonial cases, including the 125 CRPC cases, that is the maintenance cases, we have settled 2,766 such cases with total amount of 5 crores 30 lakhs. 3,590 partition suits have been settled. I think this is indeed a remarkable amount because partition suits normally take up quite a long time. That the amount involved is about 65 crores. Then the motor vehicles claims cases, 4,525 have been settled with the financial implication being 278 crores. The Negotiable Instruments Act cases, 10,817 have been settled. The amount involved is 374 crores. Then in land acquisition execution cases, 279 cases amounting to 64 crores have been settled. Then motor vehicles also execution cases, 675 cases with 60 crores outlay has been settled. Then there are other execution cases, 3,232 cases have been settled. 18 RERA cases and 155 consumer cases have also been settled. With regard to traffic challan cases, in the Adalat, around 19,13,659 traffic challan cases with fine amount of 55 crores has been settled. There are about 5 crore traffic challan cases pending, and if the benefits are given, I'm sure that those cases can also be settled and that amount can come into the exchequer. There are 1,212 cases pertaining to transport department are disposed of with a fine amount of 61,99,293. Old cases disposed of, we have 5 years and above, 1,544 old cases have been disposed, 10 years and above, 330, and 15 years and above, 24 cases. Senior citizens cases have 1,948 have been settled in the National Lok Adalat. Then the highest compensation in an MBC case, 2 crore 45 lakhs has been awarded in one case. Then with regard to reunion of couples in family disputes, 315 couples are reunited by settling their disputes before the Lok Adalat. Further, we have a special Lok Adalat being conducted in Negotiable Instruments Act cases on 18/7/2026. There are 4,52,845 pending cases and 64,191 pending cases under the Negotiable Instruments Act have been identified for the special Lok Adalat. Then there is something called the Samadhan Samaro. You're all aware, this has been informed to the media also, which is being conducted, a special Lok Adalat for pending cases in the Supreme Court, being conducted on the 21st August to 23rd August 2026, and the number of cases identified for the state of Karnataka are 3,287. Reconciliation sittings have been held in 293 cases. 31 cases are already settled. Then 1,479 cases are pending for pre-conciliation with regard to Supreme Court cases.